Hello guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. Today in this video you are going to learn how to use summary formulas in your reports. So summary formulas are used to calculate the numeric values in reports. Okay, let's do a challenge. To do a challenge, launch your playground and go to reports. In reports, you can see opportunities by rep. In that, select the arrow here and click edit. Go to filters and select the opportunity status and click closed and click apply. Go to outline. In that, near columns you can see an arrow and there you can click that arrow and select add summary formula. Name the column as win rate and enter the description as ratio of 1 to closed opportunities. Select the formula output type as percent and the decimal points value must be 2. In formula section, type as 1 and click one sum. You can see one sum, click that and next put a slash and next type closed and select closed sum. So this is the formula we are going to use and then click validate and click apply. Next, toggle off detail rows. Now click save as. So the report name is sales rep win rates. Click save as and paste the name. Change the report description as how well are my sales rep closing. And save it under global sales report. Click save. And click run. Let's check our challenge. We have completed our challenge. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.